Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create shake effect in Alight Motion. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Alight Motion, and as you can see, I have added my photo to this project. And first thing first, I'm going to add shake effect to this project. I'm gonna tap on my photo and then we can go to the effect, and we're going to search for the shake effect. Click on add effect and type in shake effect. Okay, this one, auto shake. Just tap on that, and here I'm just going to use the preset. I'm going to select the horizontal shake. Okay, and now the horizontal shake has been applied, and I'm going to apply motion blur to this project. I'm going to click on effect, add effect, and then search for motion blur. Okay, click on standard settings, and I'm going to customize the motion blur. I'm just going to increase the tune. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a shake effect in Alight Motion. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.